amount of work, like I'm already sweating trying to get them up. Here we go. Gotta do the little leg flicks. Okay. Again, why are you putting the rips on the knees? I'm fat. It's gonna just explode out of there. Okay. Anyways, let's get it up there. We want that high rise right up at the boobage. You know what I'm saying? Okay. I like how they feel. This is a cute look. This is what I'm talking about, my millennials. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that booty. Look at that booty. Got that booty stretch. You like that? Okay, and then I really love Old Navy shoes, and I feel like a lot of people are sleeping on them. So I got these for $15 right here. Throw these bad boys on. And I feel like this is, can you see it? I feel like this is the perfect little look, a little straw bag, a little straw hat. Going to the farmer's market with my girlfriend, you know, that kind of thing. Oh, this is cute. Okay, I like this one. Watch, I'm gonna see it on the camera and I'm gonna be like, nope, it's all going back. But like, good fit here. Good fit for the tatas. Like how high-waisted it is. It goes like literally at least a good inch above my belly button. Now I have another shirt. Let's see how this one comes off. Okay, we're okay. Okay, we're good. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay, today we have a no shame try on haul. I'm sorry, I do not know why I'm singing like this. Okay, but today we're doing a no shame try on haul. What does that mean for you newbies out there? This is your first time tuning in. Normally I'd start this intro in my bra and underwear. And it's just, I'm gonna show you exactly how each piece of clothing fits. We're gonna get down to our skivvies. We're gonna try them on camera. There's gonna be no hiding in the bathroom for 3 hours trying to get those pants to zip up. And we're not really gonna be editing this video. We're gonna give it real, raw, uncut, try on action. Yes! So that's what we are going for today. Today's haul I purchased from Old Navy. They had a 50% off sale, which included the plus size section about 2 weeks ago. Now, I know Old Navy has been going through some controversy recently because Old Navy, if you're watching this, you don't put your women's plus size clothing normally on sale like you do with your regular clothing. Not cool. Not cool. So I just want to address that because I feel like we should be treated equally and we shouldn't be treated as an after fact plus size people. So I'm going to be definitely keeping my eye on that. I am a consumer of their product. I do use my own money to buy them and support them, but will I continue to support a company that can't even give the same deals to the plus size people as they do to the thin folks? No, I won't. But we will see where this goes in the future. Right now, we're gonna do this try and haul. And actually everything I'm wearing right now is Old Navy. You may notice these from my last haul. These are the pixie pants, but I did pick this up for this haul. And let's get it going. No, my underwear is not matching today either because I did not know I was gonna do this haul. But I was like, oh my God, you did your hair today, your makeup's done. You might as well create some content because let's be honest, we're dealing with a panorama right now, a panini. And it's hard to get out of bed and do our makeup, but it's what we're working with. And the first pair I picked up, everything is pretty much a size 20, 2X on top. I am 5'3". I wear usually a 3X in the bottom, 40H on top, big girl, long torso, short legs. Now, Gen Z said that skinny jeans were out, so I've been looking for a ton of other options. I don't know if they make me look like a troll or not, these other options, but we're gonna try them out. These are the Sky High Straight, Extra High Rise, Secret Slim Pockets, Old Navy. I got the 20 petites because I got super short legs. I love a good high rise. I want it to come up to my boobs. Like that's how high I need a high rise, okay? Super easy. Do a little, okay, super easy. I like how snug they are. These are the buttons. I actually prefer the buttons over, you know what? It wouldn't be a real try on haul if we didn't just take a break for a moment, because I don't know about you, but trying on clothes and getting winded while talking at the same time, that's a show. That's a performance in itself, okay? You get a little tired. But I like the way that the buttons look over the zipper, and I feel like it gives me a bit more control up here in the fupa region. I know some people would wear their tops over because they're a little bit insecure. I'm a tucker inner. I want to show that belly up. I want to show those curves off. What do we think of the long jeans? Are we here for it? Like, or do we like the straight kind of wider leg on here? I don't know if I'd like it rolled up. It does have a bit of a cutout. Now, I don't like where the cutout is because it's the knee, and I've noticed when things are around the knee, they will just tear in half within a month. But I do like the wash of them, and it's a good fit on my butt. They're super comfy. They're really, really comfortable. So I'll give you that. Easy to get off. Oh. I'm like, oh, should that be my like clip moment? You know, my little like YouTube video moment? No? Okay, we did something risky here. This feels really risky. White jeans. I was always scared of white jeans, even when I was thin. And I'm just as fearful of them fat. Not because they make you look fat, even though I know people are worried about shapes to make you look flattering, but just because like I'm a messy biche, you know? Like I'm messy. Like I will sit on chocolate, on a dark chocolate ice cream cone. Like I will roll around in the grass. Like me in white pants, like we're not gonna last. But I love how crispy and clean they look. I'm also always worried that I'll like mysteriously get my period on them. Oh, which ones are these? Hold on. These are the OG straight high-rise Secret Slim Pocket size 20. Yeah, so I like how like crispy they look. Oh, these are a lot tighter to get on. I don't know if we're gonna get these up. Yeah. Hold on, let's show you. Let's give you a realistic look. It's like getting the sausage into the tubing. Should I have sized up? Yes, I should have sized up. Okay, so first moment on this channel, I would size up in this pair. Did I get the size 20? There's no way these are a size 20. These are a size 20. There you go, Old Navy. Size 20. I would size up in these. They are very stiff. There is no stretch to them. Here's how the legs look. I mean, they look nice. You could just kind of rock them like this. No, that's ridiculous. How do you like it? How you like me now? No. I feel like I'm just like, look like I have a pregnant belly. You know what? If this was me 3 years ago, I would have cried. If I didn't fit a pair of jeans, especially at a size 20, I straight up would have had a meltdown on camera. But we're in a better place, and we worked a lot on our body image. And I know that it's not my job to fit into the clothes. It is the clothing job to fit this body. But I'm gonna take a break real quick right here because I want to share this on Instagram, because we gotta share these real moments. You like it? Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, anyways, sorry, I was just filming for Instagram. I wanted people to know that like your body is beautiful, to show it kindness, to show it love, to say she's glorious, she is worthy of clothing that fits and is amazing. And I also wanted to share, I had this moment today where I like drove by a Starbucks window, and I was like sitting in the car like this, and I caught a glimpse of my side view, and I was like, fuck, I'm fat. Like, you're really fat. And it just like really messed with my self-esteem today. So I'm like trying to pick myself up and doing those like self-affirmations and saying like, you're beautiful, you're worthy, your body is worthy. You get to celebrate. Oh, these pants don't make me want to celebrate, okay? They don't make me want to celebrate. They make me feel like shit. Don't buy. Get rid of it. Anything that doesn't fit you in your closet, just get rid of it. You're going back. They were the tall ones too. They're no bueno. Okay, next. Next. I did some linen pants. These feel very 80s grandmother, but also cool, calm, and collective. Size 3X here. We went with the 3X. We weren't messing around with these ones. This also feels like a Florida moment here. I don't know why. Okay, good. Good. Nice and wide. Oh my God, I really like these actually. Bit baggy in the crotch, but I think if I had gone tighter, like to the 2X, it would have been too small. I do like that I can wear this top with it. Do we think it's too large in the crotch? Should we like try to like do a little like high-waisted moment? Is this what you came for? Did you come here for my dance moves? I don't even know why some of you watch me sometimes. Okay, let's try some of the tops we got with it to see how it works. Okay. Let's see. Oh, I think they're too big. Yeah, you know what? Because look, I'm getting like serious diaper butt. Like I feel like I look like I'm on a yoga retreat. I'm just like, namaste. You know, with like a hemp shirt on. But like, I love the idea of them and how easy they are to wear. Damn, but I feel like even if I got the 2X, they would have been too tight, you know? Okay, I did get the 2X in the top, which I'm slightly concerned over because my boobs are huge. But let's try her. This is Jean. Mom, I'm filming for YouTube. What's up? Is it here? Is it here? Okay, I'm filming. Okay, so sorry, my mom's excited for a package she's getting. Okay. 2X top fits. Okay, it also has this like, it's smocked in the back to give your girlies some more room. And I think this adjusts. Does it adjust? Yeah, it has adjustments. Okay, this is cute for the summer. This is maybe a keeper. Not the pants, just focus on the shirt here. Ew, I need to get these pants off like right away. Okay, these pants have to go back. Oh, this is so perfect. We're doing this right now because then I can just return what I don't need right away. Like we literally just got this in 2 days ago. Okay, I had to do a classic skinny jean because I'm a millennial. I love my skinny jeans, skinny jeans. So these are a 20 tall. Thank you. Oh, sorry. They're the Rockstar Super Skinny 360 Stretch Extra High Rise. I feel like I own 3 of these already, which I probably do. I do. Probably own this exact pair already. I keep buying the same damn ones. I probably bought these in my last video. Okay, one thing I dislike about the skinny jeans is the amount of work. Like I'm already sweating trying to get them up. Here we go. Gotta do the little leg flicks. Okay. Again, why are you putting the rips on the knees? I'm fat. It's gonna just explode out of there. Okay. Anyways, let's get it up there. We want that high rise right up at the boobage. You know what I'm saying? Okay. I like how they feel. This is a cute look. This is what I'm talking about, my millennials. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that booty. Look at that booty. Got that booty stretch. Do you like that? Okay, and then I really love Old Navy shoes, and I feel like a lot of people are sleeping on them. So I got these for $15 right here. Throw these bad boys on. And I feel like this is, can you see it? I feel like this is the perfect little look, a little straw bag, a little straw hat. Going to the farmer's market with my girlfriend, you know, that kind of thing. Oh, this is cute. Okay, I like this one. Watch, I'm gonna see it on the camera and I'm gonna be like, nope, it's all going back. But like, good fit here. Good fit for the tatas. Like how high-waisted it is. It goes like literally at least a good inch above my belly button. Now I have another shirt. Let's see how this one comes off. Okay, we're okay. Okay, we're good. We're good. Should we try to do like a clip? Okay. Let's do a little fan, like a little art, like. Okay, that's our little YouTube clip art. Okay, so I thought this, how adorable is this? Do you think it will fit? This is so cute for the spring. Especially my little shoes I'm wearing. Oh my gosh, I hope she fits. It's got the smocking in the back too. Is there no tags on her? I don't know. Okay. I have not tried any of these on yet. Oh my God, I think she fits. Okay, one of the buttons is undone. It's okay, we'll just do it up. Buttons are for tiny hands. I have plus size hands. Okay, we got it. What do we think? Do we think it's cute? What do you think? I need to get close to the camera so I can see it. Got a little stripey detail. I like how it comes above my chest right here, how it sits, so that way my boobs are like free to roam. I think it has the smocking in the back. She's cute. I love that it hits like perfectly at my hips right here, so it's just giving me a bit of shape. It's not too boxy. Oh my God. This is it, girl. Hi. I'm Kayla and I go to farmers markets. Yeah, I'm cute, right? She's cute. I love it. I love her. Okay. I have one last thing to try on. I feel like this video hasn't been that long. How long has it been? Long enough. I'm like, long enough. Okay, the last thing I have to try on is I'm gonna be doing a lot of hiking this summer. I really like the cost of Old Navy yoga pants and the fit of them. I picked up a 3X baby. Let's get these off and let's try on the yoga pants. Okay, they have this cute little detail at the bottom here, these cute cutouts. But I realized I don't have a ton of yoga pants, and with this panorama, we need more. Oh yeah, they feel nice. They're staying. Sorry, I don't even need. Look at the backs. Can you see them? It's cute. Come real nice and high. I could have sized down because they are a bit loose here, but I'd rather have them be a bit loose than too tight and become a bit sheer. But that is it for today, everyone. I am out of breath. Need to sit down. I'm sweating a bit. Okay, give me 1 second to end this video off. Thank you everyone for tuning in today. That is it for a No Shame Triangle. Hit that like button, subscribe, and until next time, bye.